What's going on, everybody? KYN for the SUSY propagandist back with a new video, and I'm really keen to make this video because new update just dropped and there's two new machines, multis. I want to cover them. They look so sick. So forget the intro, let's do this. So unlike my other videos, I'm actually going to show off the crafting recipes and the content for stuff, just so like people can also know. And also, if I just showed the machines, bro, it would be like a 20-second clip and then everyone would just leave anyway. So I'll actually give you some substance. So let's just start with the components. So this is the first image here, and this is for the roll, the new roller. And the second image here, these are all the new stuff that's been added for the mill. So we're going to go over the roller first, all the recipes, including the machine itself. And then we're going to do the exact same for the mill, and then we're going to actually show these bad boys in action. So starting off with the metal sheets, you got concrete of any kind, and then you also have some iron plates, and then just set the assembler to program 9. And these are also cosmetic, so you can chisel these and make them into all the colors that you see here. So this is just like largely cosmetic, and it looks really cool. So you can choose whatever color you want. Pretty simple. For the abrasion resistant casing, you're going to need to set your assembler to 11, steel frame boxes and manganese steel plates. And just in case you're wondering, to get manganese steel, you're going to need carbon, or carbon black as it's now called, iron and some manganese. So that's how you get the abrasion resistant casing. Now for the hydraulic mechanical gearbox, you're going to need 1 steel frame box, 4 small steel gears, 2 long steel rods, 4 rubber rings, 6 steel plates, 2 steel rotors, program circuit 11 and 4,000 millibuckets of lube, and this should give you your mechanical hydraulic gearbox. For the crushing wheel, you're going to need 1 steel frame box, 1 long rod, 32 steel screws, 8 manganese steel plates, and program circuit 11, and this will give you your crushing wheel. Lastly, for the crusher itself, you're going to need 1 MV hull, 4 MV motors, 2 AU gears, 2 MV conveyors, 4 MV circuits, 4,000 millibuckets of lubricant, and program circuit 11 once again, and that is how you build the machine itself. Now we're on to the new components for the ball mill. So for the wear-resistant line mill shell, you need 1 steel frame box, 6 steel sheets, 1 M steel plate, manganese, 4 steel screws, and program 12. This recipe for the resistant line shell head is literally the same, except just change out the steel plates for double steel plates. Literally the same. Set an extruder to program 12 and get some steel in there, and you'll get a steel girth gear tooth. And for the diaphragm, just get a steel box frame casing and then put it into a metal bender and set the program to 1. This one's really easy. Now let's actually show this crusher in action. So obviously I'm going to put my stuff in. It's going to go in. And then look at this beauty in all of its glory. Look at the animations on these crushing wheels. Like, God, you know what? ASMR time. SUSY ASMR. You're probably wondering, why is this machine more lucrative than the current machines in the game for ore processing? Forge hammers are 1-to-1 ratio, 1 ore to 1 crushed ore. Macerator is 1-to-2 plus byproducts. And then this new machine, bro, 1-to-4. 1-to-4. You have doubled the ore doubling. Insanity. And with all due disrespect, get one of these in your base and throw out your steam grinders, throw out your macerators, and throw out the forge hammers. The roller crusher is here and is here to stay, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's talk about the ball mill. So you're going to need some balls before you do anything. So liquefy some steel and then mold it into, well, balls. And you're going to get these balls and then put them into an input bus of the ball mill. You're also going to need some preheated air to run recipes with this thing. So make sure you get some of that as well. Now let's turn this thing on. This thing isn't just efficient, it's so cool. Look at that animation, bro. I mean, look at this. Look how nice that looks. It's literally spinning. Like, bro, look, maybe I'm like a kid, but that looks sick. I like when my machines move around and actually... It reminds me of Create. Create reference, apologies. But, yeah, it's... this looks sick. The devs really outdone themselves with this update. I am a Big fan of the ball mill. The macerator and the forge hammer can go to hell for all I care. But yeah, these are the new multi blocks, the crusher and the ball mill. I fully endorse these multi blocks. Use them. Hey guys, it's KYN4 here. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Let me know what you guys thought of this content style where I cover new stuff that they add to SUSY. And let the devs know what you think of this update. Is this a good change? Is this a bad change? Is there any Forge Hammer fans in the Discord? Let us know. And yeah, I've been pretty keen on this update for a while actually. I do like ore processing. I totally advocate for a more realistic ore processing. But yeah, that's my take anyway. Let me know what you guys thought in the Discord and the comments below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, favorite, and yes, the post-processing video is coming out soon. The set is just really big to build because the chain is cooked. But I will see you guys in the next one, so go tell your friends and your enemies about this new update so they can have good ore processing as well. I'll see you in the next one.